at their beards. Okay, how's your shot?
Right,
Pretty
yeah,
good.
good. Start talking, Woggy.
Skulking around in the wildernesses of South Wales, we have found a beaver pod. As he rummages for stuff in the wilderness, his tastes are high and his standards are high. We may even, for the first time ever, catch him in his natural habitat. The beaver pod is a very shy and elusive creature. And here we go. This is the first time ever caught on video footage of a beaver pod in his natural habitat. He marks his territory by gnawing at the root of the tree. And when he's ready, he will make his move into his natural habitat. Never before seen footage of the beaver pod here. And there we go. Truly a magnificent scene. We might be able to move in now. Now that we've got him in his natural habitat. That's never ever seen before footage. We're actually going to try to go in there. It's a little bit risky. But here, in the very rare South Wales, it is quite often to find a beaver pod. Now we'll have a little look in here. He doesn't seem to be in that bit. He's an habitual hider of the beaver pod. As we come down to this lower section, I think we might have lost him. Oh no, he's up there. He's up there. I think he knows we're here.
There he is. There he
I
is.
think it's best if we get out of here.
Yeah, I think you're right. Let's go. Let's go.